Shalom, shalom, shanipo. In this session, we'll continue with the letter sounding K. The first word is Kokav, which means a star, a natural luminous body visible in the night sky. And in Bemba, a similar word, Kwaka, has a similar meaning. The next word is Kelimah, which means shame in ancient Hebrew. And this refers to a painful feeling of something dishonorable, ridiculous, done by oneself or another. In Chibemba, akalema or ubulema refers to a disability, but also a weakness. Next word is koach, which means strength, the quality or state of being strong. And in Chibemba, kosa, a similar word, refers to strength. Next word is kesil, which means a fool, one who has confidence in something vain or empty. Isilu or Ishilu in Lunda or Chibemba means a fool. Next we have Kalah, which means finish, to bring to an end or to terminate. Aleka is a similar word in Chibemba, which means he or she has stopped. Next word is Kana, which means lower, to be brought down low in humility or submission. Kana or Ukukana means to be refused or to be denied or abandoned. For example, in a marriage in Ichiwemba. Last but not the least, we have Kafar, which means cover, to afford protection or security. A similar word in Ichiwemba, Kafwale, means go and dress up. Shalom, shalom, shalom po.